And it's now time for the business day. MBJ Airports Limited, operators of Sangster International, today announced the integration of arrivals and departures through a single biometric identity. MBJ says this will enable passengers to move seamlessly through the airport without the need to repeatedly verify their information. Chief Executive Officer Shane Monroe says other major smart solutions are also being rolled out through substantial investments in the airport's digital infrastructure. He noted that travelers can digitally complete a form, use a kiosk, go through an e-gate using biometric technology, and exit immigration without interacting with a physical immigration officer. With the airport welcoming over 70% of Jamaica's visitors, Mr. Monroe says his team is pleased with the work being done to improve passenger experience. The commercial boom in Drax Hall St. Anne continues to grow as more local companies are investing in businesses in the area. Chem opened its 26th location in Drax Hall over the weekend.
Founder and Deputy Executive Chairman of Chem, Doreen Frankson, reviewed that the Drax Hall location brings to 3 the number of branches in St. Anne, the others being in Ocherius and Brownstown. This, she says, speaks to the growth of the company, which is celebrating 34 years.
I'm just proud. 26 branches. It's really amazing. And we export to the Caribbean and we export to the USA.
Ms. Frankson says she's proud, particularly given the teething pains when the company started.
The traditional hardware customers would not buy the product from me. I was unknown. They called it the Woman Paint Company. I didn't know what I was doing. And I said, okay, I will then take the products to the market myself through the retail outlets, and I've never looked back.
On the issue of growth, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay Michael Belnavis says investor interest in Drax Hall is growing.
This stretch is really ripe for pickings now, so companies are coming, companies are expanding, and it's not really local stores, it is international and stores from Kingston who have national chains, and they're all trying to get their foot in.
And it's not just commercial.
1,000 houses for several other developers. So it's people are looking at 3 options right now. You're looking at people investing as Airbnb because they want to take advantage of the whole tourism product. We have people investing as returning residents.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
In the meantime, after 30 years of running the business, she's stepping aside soon.
I am retiring, but still active. But a succession planning is in place. We have a new CEO, we have a COO, and we have a very strong team.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,021 points to close at 326,401 points, while the junior market index advanced by 17 points. The winners were A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings, Main Event Entertainment Group, Stanley Motor, Knutsford Express, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. The losers were led by Epley 7.25%, JPS 7%, Caribbean Cream, Palace Amusement, and G West Corporation. 25 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.49. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.60. The pound is going for $210.85, while the euro is selling for an average $179.80. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.